Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Claudie cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with you one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. And we have on the menu today sticky jerk gochujang chicken tray bake with roasted butternut squash and some string beans. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for, beautiful people? Let's cook. Woo-hoo! Okay, let's season up some chicken drumsticks for dinner today. They've been washed and pat dry, and I've slashed the legs with the knife so the marinade can permeate the chicken so we get really beautiful flavors. Right, we're going to start off first with some olive oil or some oil of your choice. And we're going in with some chicken season blend. You can use whatever chicken season you like, and if you want to know what the blend is, let me know. 1 tablespoon of ginger, chopped or minced, and the same for garlic. And 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning and 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. This is very hot, so I'm gonna just do 1.5 tablespoons because it's very hot and I don't want to blow anyone's head off with too much heat. And now for the green seasoning. 1 tablespoon of gochujang. And black pepper and a pinch of salt. I forgot the soy sauce. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon. Let's massage that all in, and we're going to put it in the fridge, for as long as you can. But I'm just going to let this marinate for about an hour whilst I run some errands for today. See you later. Let's get this 1 tray meal ready, and we're going to start off with the chopped vegetables. And in here, right, so in this bowl we have 2 cups, that's half of a butternut squash, and we have some red peppers, and we have 1 onion that was quartered and 1 sweet ripe plantain. This is going to add incredible flavor to balance out the heat of the jerk seasoning. The butternut squash, it's nutty and it also carries a sweet flavor that's going to work really well with the gochujang and the jerk seasoning. So these are all balancing of flavor that's going on in here. And now up for the drumstick that we prepared earlier. So now we're just going to nestle all this down onto the veggies. And we're going to cook these in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade between 45 minutes to an hour, just to make sure everything is cooked properly. Okay, so in the process of the cooking, you need to flip it over so everything cooking and browning up nicely. Right, so we've got some of the marinade that's been used here still in the bowl. We're just going to spoon that over the chicken legs. This is going to create bags of flavor. And I'm also using 1/2 of a Knorr chicken stock cube, and we are going to just swirl it around here and add it to the bowl that we've seasoned the drumsticks in. Just going to just swirl it around to get all of this flavor out, so we keep it all in this dish. Just going to pour it around, and we're going to cover that for the first 35 minutes of the cooking process with some parchment paper and foil, and then after 35 minutes that's when you're going to go in and flip it over and make sure everything is cooking evenly. In the oven this goes, and I'll see you 10 minutes before it's finished, before I add the string beans. Right, this has been cooking for an hour, and now I'm going to brush it. This is totally optional with some more gochujang, and I've got in there some soy sauce and a bit of sesame seed oil. So we're going to glaze them with this just for extra bit of stickiness, and then we're going to put the green beans on the top for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's just for a bit of greenery to the meal. And we're going to, put that up to your highest setting or under your griddle, as I mentioned, for 8 to 10 minutes or until it's cooked. So I'll see you back in a mo. I swapped out the glass tray for a bigger tray. Look how lovely that is looking. Absolutely beautiful. Just going to let that cool for a bit. Then we're going to plate up. Let's plate up. Look at that. Juicy. Nice piece of roasted sweet plantain on the side. And some butternut squash. Some of this beautiful glaze all around. And this is optional. We've just got some plain yogurt, and we've got some garlic, salt and black pepper in this, and it's just cool down the heat a bit. Just going to spoon a little on the top here, and of course you serve the rest of it on the side. And now for some chopped parsley. Let's finish this off with a little splash of olive oil. And there you have it, guys, my sticky jerk gochujang chicken tray bake. Look at that. What a feast. And all done in that one pan. Delicious. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and let me know your thoughts on this dish and what you'd like to see me cook next. Enjoy. Let's have a taste. Just the right crunch to it. It's delicious. And the gravy on this, oh my goodness, it's like a bit of sweetness to it, richness, that jerk and that gochujang together. It makes for a marriage in heaven. It's absolutely delicious. See you in the next video. Cook this one. See you in the next video.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Claudia cooks bring sunshine into your life.